Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I'm Manal and welcome to our YouTube channel Kids Know TV. So today I received a gift for my Qirat from Paro and Parao. I'll be unboxing that, and before that I would like to share my story behind it. So there was a competition held by Paro and Parao that you have to recite Suratul Naba 30 ayahs, and my mother works for Paro Parao and she teaches Quran. And yes, so I was very excited and thrilled to take part in the competition, as I was disqualified from my Qirat competition, which was held by my school, ISJ, International Indian School, Jeddah. I was selected, but then in the semi-finals I got disqualified as I couldn't attend it. So Allah gave me an opportunity to recite Suratul Naba 30 ayahs for Paro Parao, and Alhamdulillah I secured second place, and I'm so grateful to Allah that He gave me this opportunity, and Alhamdulillah even I've got the gift. So I'll be unboxing it today, inshallah. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, Bismillah. Should I cut it or just I will?
So they sent it from Dubai, isn't it?
Yes, Alhamdulillah.
My daughter Nawal is working with them voluntarily basis, teaching Quran.
Oh, so I've received a certificate as well. First, I would like to
MashaAllah.
show that.
Okay, this is what Manal Abdul Razik, February 2021, and you have given the second prize.
Position.
Second position.
Alhamdulillah.
Show it to me once again. So,
Oops.
all right, okay. So this is okay. Udhar karo thoda sa. Yes. And
Okay, now let's get started with the gifts. Alhamdulillah, I've got this very beautiful, extremely beautiful.
ये क्या है ये? What is
I
the?
guess this is a necklace or a bracelet. I don't know. Yeah, this is a necklace. Okay, Alhamdulillah. This is a necklace, and this is really beautiful. It's from Claire's, as you can see the company.
What is clear here?
Claire's is a very expensive company, though.
Okay, okay.
I've been
You
always
deserve.
wanting.
You deserve more.
I was always wanting
Okay.
from there. So, Alhamdulillah.
MashaAllah, you people are lucky.
This is the most beautiful thing.
MashaAllah,
This
pen
is a
and
beautiful
diary.
diary with a pen, and I don't know what is this. This is really beautiful. I
Okay.
just love it.
So would you like to recite the Surah Naba or play from the
I will
old
play it for you
recording?
guys.
Okay. Okay.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I'm Manal Abdul Razif. Today I'm going to recite Suratul Naba 30 ayahs. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. عما يتساءلون عن النبأ العظيم الذي هم فيه مختلفون كلا سيعلمون ثم كلا سيعلمون ألم نجعل الأرض مهادا والجبال أوتادا وخلقناكم أزواجا وجعلنا نومكم سباتا وجعلنا الليل لباسا وجعلنا النهار معاشا وبنينا فوقكم سبعا شدادا وجعلنا سراجا وهاجا وأنزلنا من المعصرات ماء ثجاجا لنخرج به حبا ونباتا وجنات ألفافا إن يوم الفصل كان ميقاتا يوم ينفخ ينفخ في الصور فتأتون أفواجا وفتحت السماء فكانت أبوابا وسيرت الجبال فكانت سرابا إن جهنم كانت مرصادا للطاغين مآبا لابثين فيها أحقابا لا يذوقون فيها بردا ولا شرابا إلا حميما وغساقا جزاء وفاقا إنهم كانوا لا يرجون حسابا وكذبوا بآياتنا كذابا وكل شيء أحصيناه كتابا فذوقوا فلن نزيدكم إلا عذابا جزاك الله خيرا.
Assalamu alaikum.
Okay, this boy is the third one. Okay. All
And
right.
if you also want to see this whole video, inshallah, I will put the link of the channel in the description, inshallah. And if you want to see the fellow competitors recitation, so you can go to their channel. And yes, alhamdulillah, I've received such beautiful gifts, and thanks to Parwan Parao, alhamdulillah, jazakallah khaira, for giving me this opportunity to participate, and for doing so much hard work and giving me these gifts, alhamdulillah. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Jazakallahu khaira.
Okay, and you want to say anything for your channel, Kids New TV?
Please subscribe to our channel, like our videos, and share them so that more people can get connected to us.
And watch our videos, huh?
Yes, watch them fully.
Watch them fully. And you can watch New TV Jeddah as well.
No TV Jadda channel 2 as well. Check out. They are my grandfather's channel, alhamdulillah. And he has also received the silver play button. Waiting for the golden one.
Inshallah.
Too far though.
طيب شكرا. السلام عليكم.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.